What happens when a car company decides to build its own AI chip factory? For decades, semiconductor giants have controlled the global chip supply. But now something unexpected is happening. According to Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, a mysterious project called Terafab could launch within just 7 days. And if this plan becomes reality, Tesla may be preparing to build a gigantic chip manufacturing facility designed to power the future of artificial intelligence. But the real question is Tesla simply expanding its technology ecosystem or preparing to challenge the biggest names in the semiconductor industry? No matter where you live in the world, if you want deep documentary-style insights into technology, markets, and power shifts shaping the future, subscribe now, and let's begin. On March 14th, reports revealed that Elon Musk said Tesla's Terafab project could launch within 7 days. The name itself suggests something massive. Terafab likely refers to a gigantic semiconductor fabrication facility, and Musk has previously hinted that Tesla might eventually need to build its own chip manufacturing capability. Why? Because artificial intelligence is becoming central to Tesla's future. Most people know Tesla as an electric vehicle company, but in reality, Tesla is increasingly positioning itself as an AI and robotics company. Its self-driving technology, autonomous systems, and robotics projects all rely heavily on artificial intelligence, and AI requires enormous computing power. This means Tesla must secure a reliable supply of advanced chips, which leads to a crucial strategic question. Should Tesla rely on external suppliers or build its own infrastructure? Today, the global AI chip market is dominated by a few major players. Companies like Nvidia and Advanced Micro Devices have become essential suppliers of AI hardware. Their GPUs power data centers, machine learning systems, and advanced AI models. Demand for these chips has exploded during the AI boom. But, supply limitations and rising costs have also created challenges, which is why some companies are exploring alternatives. There are several strategic reasons why Tesla could pursue its own semiconductor manufacturing. First is supply control. During global chip shortages, many industries experienced severe disruptions. By developing internal capabilities, Tesla could reduce dependence on external suppliers. Second is custom optimization. Custom-designed chips can be tailored specifically for Tesla's AI workloads. And third is long-term cost efficiency. Large-scale chip manufacturing could potentially lower costs over time. But building a semiconductor fabrication facility is one of the most expensive industrial projects in the world. If Tesla successfully launches the Terafab project, it could signal a larger trend. Technology companies increasingly want to control the entire technology stack, from software to hardware to artificial intelligence infrastructure. And when companies control the infrastructure layer, they gain massive strategic advantages. This could eventually reshape the competitive landscape of the semiconductor industry. So what does this mean for the broader AI ecosystem? There are two possible scenarios. In the opportunity scenario, AI demand grows so rapidly that multiple chip suppliers thrive simultaneously. But in the threat scenario, major technology companies begin producing their own chips internally. That could gradually reduce dependence on external semiconductor providers. And over time, that shift could redefine the global AI hardware market. So the real question now is this. Is the Terafab project simply Tesla expanding its AI capabilities, or the beginning of a new technological power shift? Because throughout technology history, the companies that control the infrastructure behind innovation often shape the entire future of an industry. And if Tesla truly builds a gigantic AI chip factory, it could mark the beginning of a completely new chapter in the AI revolution. The next 7 days may reveal whether this is just another ambitious idea or the start of something much bigger.